ng sumunod na araw ay maagang kinausap ni Kuya ang task leaders na sina Mitch at Tori.
Gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo na sa araw na ito, magtatapos na ang inyong weekly task.
Agad na kinausap ng leaders ang housemates at nagsimula na sa task.
Support, guys. Support. Support lang. Here ako. Yes, correct. Okay. Let's do it. Yun. The wind is a little strong, this one. Keep it. Yan. Good. Oh, no. Support lang. Support lang.
Lahat kami natataranta, ganun. Wala.
Ay, siya.
Support.
Support.
Maya-maya,
Ay! Sabi ko, why?
Why nag-break na siya?
Why?
Maybe I think at first the water and then it's better.
Guys, stay where you are. Lahat ng support stay. Okay.
Tapos
Yung water.
ng tubig, tapos iwawak.
Yes. Go.
1, 2, 3.
Harder.
Sige pa. Ito, as a physics major, I highly recommend na gunanon yung gitna.
Ano yung gitna?
That very second from the top row, yung nasa gitnang cube, even na nudge from the edge.
It's taking a longer time na mag-hold tayo ng ganito. We need abrupt solution.
Kaya nga.
We need to attempt
Luke, can you
one.
try to get rest?
Andre has it. Matagal tayong plano din ng isa, plano ng isa. So, madaming plano. Isa lang namang puso. Bakit ba kasi daming plano?
Wait. Ayun.
Wait.
Okay na yan, I think.
At least umakay na siya.
nang maayos ang butas ng tower ay nagpatuloy sa pagbuo ang housemates.
Yeah, we'll put one more on that.
Malapit nang mabuo ang tower nang biglang...
Yeah, it's stable lang. Tori.
Yep, I got it.
Up.
Yeah, can you hold that?
My gas!
Hold the wing.
Stop.
I-strong ninyo ang support. Dalawa sila magawa.
Okay.
Kasi masyado na siyang nakasplit. So, winawak ni Tori yung side by side.
They're gonna whack. Hold on.
Make it hard first. Ang
Yeah.
support nyo.
Ready? You guys ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. Ay!
Baliktadin mo nga, Tori. Tori!
The support was really messy.
Malapit na po talaga kaming matapos. Parang 7 blocks na lang po yung kailangan naming ilagay.